hiccups? Do you have them too? Who has hiccups? Don't cough on him.
I got them.
Do you have the hiccups still? They go away.
Go away. Ah.
Hi.
Mom, maybe he'll poop.
No, he didn't poop.
I want to check.
No, we're not going to check.
No, I have to check.
Why do you have to check?
I'm him poop.
He didn't poop.
No, tiny little poop.
Libby, what you doing?
Buckling him.
Aiden, what do you think about that, huh?
I just sickle him.
You just sickle him?
I sickle him. How I sickle?
Hi. Don't scare him. That scares him. Stop. Don't cough on him either. Aiden. Hands off him, please. He doesn't like that. Play peekaboo.
Mouth will come down. Mouth come down. Eat cheese till morning.
You got hiccups. He likes watching you sing. He's gonna grab that hair of yours.
We have hiccups.
You got hiccups. Hey, Aiden. You should toot on her right now.
No. No, I want to toot on me.
Oh, you better leave him alone. It's the only way to keep you away from him. Hi. Oh, what's that loud noise? Hi.
You guys want something to eat?
Oh, maybe.
Pineapple, cookies. Which one do you like?
Pineapple and cookies. No ketchup.
Okay.
Oh yeah, give me some ice cream.
Which one? This or this? Or this?
Ice cream.
Or,
No corn.
huh?
I don't want corn.
Pineapple or ice cream?
Ice cream.
And not pineapple?
No. What? I wanted ice cream.
Hold on. I'll try and make my food today.
Hi. Hi. You're so big. You're so big.
I'll try to make
Hi.
I'll try to make melon. You want melon?
I love melon.
This chicken?
You both have those hiccups. Hi. Hi. Oh, hi.
And look at your food.
Oh, yummy. Pineapple and watermelon. Doesn't get much better than that.
I can eat the pineapple gum. Bowl.
Oh, no, baby. Aiden. Hi.
Yummy.
Poor kiddo. Put it in his pocket for later. What do you think of that? You got a pineapple in your pocket.
Yeah. A baby balloon.
Okay, that's all done. You got a pineapple in your pocket. You got pineapple in your pocket. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Mama, I do it.
Okay.
You got a pineapple in your pocket.
Yeah. Okay. You see that, sissy. Olivia, keep off his face.
I'm just trying to hug him.
Hi, big boy. Hi. Hi.
That's your bag.
Hi, big boy. You're so big. You're so big. Abu. Can you say aga? Aga.
I'm trying to hug you.
Say aga.
At the top.
Oh, big yawn. Yeah. You say aga. Aga. You're so big. Hi. How's that pineapple in your pocket, huh?
Take it off, please.
Achoo. Achoo. Where you going, puppy? Huh? Where you going?
Take it out of water.
What do you see? You see a deer? Do you see the deer?
A new pink, orange pie. New big yellow pie.
Pineapple.
Why does it have blue eyes, Mommy?
Because that's what God gave him.
Huh, Mommy?
Why do you have green eyes?
Because Daddy bought them and me.
Oh, Daddy bought you green eyes?
And oh no, not Daddy. Mama, Pop, and Daddy, and Papa.
Oh, they bought you green eyes? Wow. Who bought Aiden's eyes?
Mama and Papa got it.
Oh.
Papa, Mama, Pop, and Papa Mike.
Yep.
Them so nice and.
Okay, I think he's all done with that. You say bye to everyone? Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah. Oh, big yawns. Is it time for naps? Get some nappy naps. Say bye-bye.